Hey everyone, my name is Mike. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm a little depressed. I found out my car is not very bright. Alright, here is the problem. If you have been following along, this is the C240 that I'm kind of bringing back to life. And the instrument cluster right there, the LCD, right now they look great. They look good. But when it warms up, this starts to dim and then you can barely read the mileage. Okay, yes, I have a lot of things to fix on this car. It may be because it just hasn't been driven and it needs to kind of reset itself. You know, when you take off a wheel and a shock and all that kind of stuff, sometimes you got to reset it for the ABS and all of that. So, but this is a common problem on several Mercedes. It's a little screen. To get to it, all you have to do is take out the dash. So the first thing you want to do, and I love this, you have on your door here, this is your steering wheel. So if you push it in, see how it goes in? Or if you pull it out, see? It comes out. It also is supposed to go up and down, but it's not. Okay, in and out. We'll just kind of live with that. So you want the steering wheel as far away from the instrument cluster as you can get it, and then all you have to do is put in, these are just little coat hangers that I have cut up. They're about 8 inches long, and you put them in here. They go in maybe that far on each side, and it releases a little tab, and then you can pull this out like that. Okay, and now I'll remove this and I'll show you the tab. Okay, yeah, just like on the other car, this is the tab that it pushes right here. This moves, and then you can take out the instrument cluster, and I hope I can get this one out without moving the steering wheel lower, because yeah, that could be a problem. Okay, let's see if we can get it out. This is the instrument cluster, and basically what we're going to do is just remove the back. This comes off, take the back off, and we're going to put a new LCD screen in. So I have a couple of come here, little flathead screwdrivers, and all we have to do is move a couple of clips right here so this can come off. So I've got one right there, and I've got one right here, and if you start moving this back, then they will kind of hold themselves. See that right there? Okay, and then I have one right here, so because this is still attached, this hasn't been removed before because that was from the factory right there. Okay, so I have those removed, and I have a couple on the other side right here. Remove, remove, and then watch this. Look, uh-oh, one is stuck. Who decided they didn't want to play? Right there. Okay, so I've got this off right here. I'll put this aside. This should come right out. Right, just like that. You lift it up, you put that aside, and look right there. See the ribbon right there? This is what you want to take off, and it really does. It just sits behind this plate right here. So I'm going to put on my glasses. You guys aren't going to watch me put on my glasses right there. We're going to kind of move this clip right there. Just got to be careful with it. See, right there, it just unclips. This is the old LCD screen, and there are two little latches that hold it in. See that right there? Yeah, right there and right there. If you move those down, the top part should just come out. So let's see if we can do that very carefully. Very carefully. There's one. And there's two. So you kind of go from the bottom and go from the back. And then what you can do is take that out. Look at that right there. Okay, now, very carefully, we're going to flip it over. And I don't want to break this. I really don't want to break that. So the way this attaches, See the little brown things right there? There's two little clips you just have to push down on. Here and right here. Ow! I broke a nail. Okay, we're going to do that with a screwdriver very, very carefully. Push that one down. And then push that one down. Okay, now I want to take note of how this comes out and which side is actually right there. Okay, so we just kind of pull this. And see the metal part? See how that's metal? That's coated, metal, coated. The metal part goes on top, just like that. Okay, so put the old one aside. This is the new one. Why am I singing? I don't know. Okay, this is what it looks like when you get it out of the box. Super, super easy. And to open it, you rip it up like that. You take it out like that. And for some reason they have tape on this son of a gun too. I don't like it when they tape it. Okay, so tape, tape. Okay. Now there should be a plastic coating on the front side. See that? And I don't think there's one on the back side. Oh, there is. Oh, you gotta be careful. Oh. Okay, there you go. Super easy. Super easy. There we have it. Okay, so we want to make sure that we try not to touch it. We want to make sure that we're lined up so the metal part goes into there, follow it around, and this is how it's going to go in, just like that. Okay, so take off the plastic on the top, put it in there like that, and hopefully these two clips will clip it into place. Voila. Okay. Now, remember how this just kind of set in there? This came down a little bit. Okay. Remember the metal part goes towards the top. It goes up, and it goes just like that. Then, push the little slide tab up. Just like that. See how easy? Okay. And that's it. There you go. Okay. Now I touched the screen. Not good. So, with a clean part of a dirty rag, we're going to kind of wash that off a little bit. Okay. And then with a clean part of my shirt. There we go. There. So pretty. We're back inside the vehicle right now. You only have that one clip. Remember when we took it out? Yeah, you just put that back in, make sure that it's latched all the way down. And you get to kind of, that's a great sound, isn't it? Oh, look. Look at how bright. Okay, here we go. Come on. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. And I'm not going to push it all the way in because I want to make sure that it works. And if I brought the key, we can do that right now. Do I have the key? Where's the stupid key? Okay, here we go. But I can tell you by just looking at it right now, look how pretty. Look how gorgeous. And I can see a difference. I just think that looks terrific. Super easy. Well, what do you know? It actually worked that time. So the C240 coming back to life. I still got to work on the bumper, and I got to put the splash guards on underneath, and this one will be ready to go. Oh, look, that works perfectly now. Remember how much fun that was? Yeah, that was just so much fun. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I've kind of stalled out on the subscribe list. I think I'm almost at 1,300, which is great. And I still have to get over that 440 watch hours, that 240,000 watch minutes, so I can make some money. I'm not really doing this for the money, though. I'm really doing this just to have some fun, and it gives me something to do and hopefully entertain you guys. So, thanks for watching. See you next video, okay? Bye!